Here we are at the 27th Annual Yachting Brokerage Show in Miami on Collins Avenue, and I'm going to take you on a tour of the Yacht Pavilion where the Yachting Pages booth is placed on stand 5455. It's a glorious sunny day, and as you can see from as I look around here, there's lots of people enjoying the sunshine and checking out the exhibitors and boats on offer. So here we go into the pavilion.
Are the flaps fully closing? They're not closing.
Lots of great businesses here showcasing their wares. Check out the beautiful models here. Outstanding German design as always. You can see some of the boats in the distance here and the famous Miami skyscrapers. Lovely lady here from IK Yacht Design. The beautiful sea bobs, we love those. Going through here we can see some uniform. Here's Ultra Anchor. Oh, look at the massage chairs. Well needed after walking through this show. It covers over 2.5 miles of boats, exhibitors, walkways, all the smiley faces. We like to see this. Here's the great guys from Yacht Sign. Hello! This is obviously just one small section of the show, and a lot of the businesses in this tent in particular are targeting the mega yachts or super yachts. Miami Beach Marina, Puerto Rico, hi. Ocean air there. Look at the water. Absolutely beautiful. Lots of people hanging out here near Marina Palms. See if I can navigate the crowd. There's jet surf. Born for fun indeed. Seven-star yacht transport. There's the Panama boat show there. There's FIBA looking after the yacht brokers. Here's Invictus. Beautiful. The best magazine. There's Simon here looking after some of our customers on our stands. And there's United Yacht Transport. I've only seen it from one avenue. Some great stands here at the show. It's Williams Island Marina. Great view out here. So this is the Yacht Pavilion in its finest. I hope you've enjoyed the tour, and I'll take you back out into the sunshine just to finish off and take you down one of the avenues of the yachts. There's Atlantic Yacht and Shipping Inc. And here's some of the yachts. We hope you enjoyed our tour.